So I'm doing a quick video on this battery stick or this battery holder or this phone holder or this camera battery tripod slash connection holder. It has a connection there and a connection on top. I've been using this now. I purchased this originally. The video is on the life of this actual device. And I purchased this on August 5th, 2022 on Amazon. And it stopped working on March 29th, 2024, which is 7 months, which is 1 year and 7 months total life. As you can see, it's just blinking one light. I haven't been able to get it to go all the way to the 4 lights to show a full charge. It's not taking a charge at all. I've tried two different chargers, several different cables, and nothing. No, I'm sorry, 3 different chargers and several different cables, and nothing's happening. It's no longer taking a charge. I just want to say that I abused this item. I used it in the rain. I used it in the sun. I used it all the time. This was my go-to device to do my drive-through walkthrough videos, which is video that I do as I'm driving to show the landscape of different areas that I drive through, mostly New York City. And it's just stopped working just the other day. Today is the 31st of March, and decided, let me do a video on it because I had to purchase another one on Amazon. Same price, it's about $48. And this thing just continued to work really well. I abused it. I used it a lot. I mean, a lot. I don't know how many hundreds of videos I've done with this actual device, connecting it to my GoPro. And I got a total of 1 year, 7 months out of it. And again, this is in the rain, in the sun, in the shine, in the heat, in the cold. I also used it in the cold, in the snow. It just continued to work. It just really worked really, really well. I do not suggest you use this in the rain at all. It's not made to work in the rain. That's maybe why it stopped working, or it could have been just it reached its lifespan, as I must have used it several hundred times and had to recharge it several hundred times. And it's depleted now. It's no longer working. So again, 1 year, 7 months total use out of it. Purchased on August 5th, 2022. I probably got it on August 7th, 2022, and started using it right away. And it stopped working on March 29th, 2024. That was the last time that I got a full charge, a full battery life out of it. I went to go charge it to get it ready for the next shoot, and nothing happened. I'm just getting this light, and again, I tried several chargers, several cables, and it's just not working anymore. So I purchased another one, waiting for that one. And I love this device. And I think that if you don't abuse it like I did, you probably could get maybe 3 years out of it, which is great if you use it a lot. If you don't abuse it, 3 years. If you abuse it, maybe a year and a half, or maybe a year to a year and a half. If you treat it nicely and you use it only once in a blue moon, you can get a few years out of it. I'm very, very happy with this device. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it was informative. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.